Hi guys, welcome back to Create with Kate. Today I'm going to show you how to create an interactive PDF by using Canva and Simplebooklet. Okay, so first things first, you're going to open up your Canva account. And for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm going to select a tri-fold brochure. So the one I've selected is for travel, but I mean, you can go on to templates, you can go and find a ton of different designs, and obviously depending on your purpose, what you need your PDF to be interactive for. So I'm just going to change a couple elements here. I'm going to give the file a name. I'm just going to call it travel guide. This template is quite nice because you can see it already tells you where to put your logo, things like your booking information. You can come out here and change a couple things. So maybe we just change one or two things. Let's search for Cape Town. Beautiful photo. Let's replace that one there. A lot of elements in Canva you can just drag and drop, which is amazing. And if you double click, you can actually just adjust the image. So this is a frame in Canva. That's why I'm only able to do certain adjustments. Maybe let's look for logo. Once you're happy with your brochure from Canva, we're going to click the share button. And to make it an interactive PDF, we're going to select the more. And we are going to scroll down to the design section. And we're going to choose Simplebooklet. I'm going to click on that and say save. And it's just going to take a moment or two to prepare your design that is going to upload to Simplebooklet. And you're going to say view in Simplebooklet. As Simplebooklet is integrated with Canva, it's just going to upload your design to Simplebooklet. Now, in order to use Simplebooklet, you do need to create an account. Create an account, it is free. There are different pricing options, which I'll go into later. Once you're signed in, your booklet's going to upload from Canva. So we can see this is where we got the design from. We want to create a new simple booklet. The title, this is the title that you have from your Canva document. So you can go ahead and change that, keep it the same. And then this is where the magic happens. So choose a page flip. Now, Simplebooklet has thought of everything and every page flip that you would need. So I'm just going to show you a quick overview. So if you have your single page, if you just hover over the little icons, they will show you how the flip is going to transition. And you can see there are multiple options. There are also different categories. So if you're more looking for like a book style or even a calendar, you can come and click here. But for our brochure, it is a tri-fold brochure, and that's how we want people to see it. We're going to click on the tri-fold option. Currently, there are two options available. If you just hover over, you can see how they're going to look. Today, we're going to go with the first option, which is fold. And when you click on that, if you look at your little preview section here, you can see it even includes the little dotted lines as to where this would be folded. So this is quite useful if you're going to go ahead and print this brochure. But also digitally, it's going to just show you and help you to understand where the brochure is going to fold. And if you need to make like any changes in your design, you can go and do that in Canva, or we can actually just do it here in Simplebooklet. And then you're going to say convert. It's good to know that this is not a permanent transition. So if later you decide you prefer the other fold, you can go and change that. This is just for now. It's a great thing about Simplebooklet is everything is customizable. And once you have customed something and you've sent this link on, so your customers or maybe your friends are viewing this, you can go back and edit the document as a live document, and the new changes will be updated. So anytime they click on the link again, they'll see the new changes that you've done. So it's great. So it's not just a static thing like a once-off, which is also like more beneficial than a PDF, because once you've sent a PDF to someone via email or Drive or however you want to do it, you know, that's it. And then you would have to send them the new version. Whereas this is very cool because you can just share the link with them. And yeah, once you've made your changes, it's made on their side too. So now we can see this is our preview of our page. As I mentioned, everything in Simplebooklet is customizable, so there is a lot to go through. So I will be creating videos where I go into more details for edit and the design. So today I'm just going to give you a basic overall. So this is just our preview section. You can see it's going to take us through how our brochure is designed. It's got that trifold, as that's what we selected. Even makes a cute little click noise. If we click on page flip, as I mentioned, you can come back here. You can change it to any transition that you want, but we're happy with how it is now. All right, this is your little dashboard. So if you have more than one booklet, you can come back here and you can check out the other brochures and booklets that you have going on, and you can edit the edit mode. And as you can see, we have a full list of options on our menu on our left hand side. I'm just going to run you guys through a couple options just to enhance the booklet. I mean, it already looks quite great, but let's go through the different options. So a hotspot, this is creating your link. The great thing is there's multiple options to choose from. You can just click on the drop down arrow and you can decide what you want to link. So if you want website, email, phone, different pages, you can even include more content to make this more engaging. You can upload videos, images. You can even link other PDFs or documents, codes, captions. So for now, let's just try a website. So the cool thing is you can put in your website URL here. You can decide which options. Do you want it opened up in Lightbox, in the new tab, or in the current tab? You can just go ahead and copy and paste your link. And we're going to select new tab and say save. Now you can see your little hotspot. If you click on this, you can then drag it and maneuver it to where you want. As you can see, we now have two menus on both the right and left hand side. We can also drag this hotspot, so I want it all on the text. Make it bigger. You can come here, make the width. You can add like a shadow to it. You can decide if you want a different background color, but I think transparent looks the best here. You can also decide on the opacity. That's more if you have a background, if you want some more padding. And once you're done, you can just click the exit button. And now this is your hotspot. So this just shows you, as we are still in the edit mode, that that's something you've edited. I just want to quickly go over one more thing. Let's add a star. You can simply just drag it out to where you want. Maybe we want to make this a little bit bigger. Again, you can drag it. We can change the width. Want a bigger radius, and we can also animate this. Say when you click on the element will bounce, and we want a 5-second delay, and let's do normal speed. Now anytime you wish to view the changes that you have made, you can come up to the top here to the little icon and click the preview, and it'll just take a second to put it into preview mode. And this is what your customers or whoever you're sharing this link with will see. So if we say let's travel the world, you'll see this opens up to the website that I selected. That's just a couple things. I will go into more details in another video. In the design, this is the navigation of your actual page. So basically this is the link at the top that we're going to share with whoever you want seeing your booklet. So if we go into design, there's a whole bunch of options that you can select. So I'm just going to show you a couple things. So page flip, this is what we selected in the beginning. So if you are not happy with what you've selected, you can come back here and select any options that you wish to. We can also edit the button. This is this little arrow here, which allows the customer to click on the next option. So we want that included, as I think it is a good element to have. And then this pops up. We can decide what we would like it to look like. So let's change to a nice bold arrow. And you can play around with the shapes, see what suits you, what suits your brand. Let's have it in a circle. I think that's nice. You can also decide if you want it a white arrow with black, or maybe you want black with white. Inverse. You can decide also like where you would like this on the page. If you would like a small, medium, or large, I think medium's good. We can also add a shadow to the back of the booklet. I think it looks good with a shadow, it just helps it pop a bit. And you can also change your sound. So I'm going to keep quiet so you can listen to the different sounds and see which one suits you more. So that's a default sound. Let's go with paper and say done. One more thing I just want to show you, which just adds to your design, is when you click on this little presentation. And let's just do background for now. When this pops up, there's a range that you can choose from. You can use a solid color, patterns, you can use images, you can use license-free photos, which come from Unsplash, which just integrate right into Simple Booklets. You can also have animated backgrounds, which is pretty cool, or you can upload like your own custom background. So for this, we're just going to choose a nice pattern background. So now we're just going to preview. It's always best for you to preview before you save and implement your changes and send them on. So we can see all the things I've done. So if I'll just keep quiet and you can hear the new sound. People can click. There's our brochure. You can see we've implemented that link. We've got our beautiful photos. So this is just a very simple way that you can use Simple Booklet, but I will go into more features in new videos, so make sure to look out for those. Once we're happy, we're just going to say close, and now it's time to share. Booklet really has gone the extra mile and has made this very easy to share. So firstly, you can decide on the visibility. Do you want your link public so anybody can have access to this document? Do you want people who you've set the link to only to see? And as I mentioned, you can at any time come onto this design and edit. So if you, let's say for this travel brochure, you want to update your contact details and you want to change a few pictures because now you've got some better pictures, you can actually just come here in the share tab, click pause, and whoever has access to that link will just see what's created for now. And then once you've saved your changes, you can then go click back onto whichever visibility setting you originally had, and then they'll see the new changes. So that's really amazing. Makes it very easy and user-friendly for you to edit your designs at any time. Once you've decided on the visibility, you can also see who has access control. And as you can see, this is for anybody who wants to manage access to your Simple Booklet. So maybe you have a designer or you have some interns or something, you can then go and switch out which settings are applicable to you. You can also allow comments, which is really cool. So you can turn comments on or off for certain sections. You can also be notified as to when your document has been opened, and SEO, so that's great for you marketers out there. You can also go and add some tags and some metadata. Then let's just quickly go through this shareable options. Like I said, Simple Booklet has thought of everything. So not only are they customizable, but they've thought of every single way you can share it. So that makes it super easy for you, very user-friendly. So we can either share via a link, you can share an email via other platforms such as like MailChimp, you can post on multiple social media platforms, you can even share on messaging apps such as Slack and Teams, you can embed this on your web page, and you can also install it as like an app so you can show people on your phone, so it's very easy and on the go, and you can save as PDF. You can even print, like if you need the printed version of your digital copy, which is very cool. You can add it to Google My Business. So many options and ways for you to share, and these are all integrated so just directly shares, which is fantastic. Okay. So just to show you that this does work, I always like the shortened links of versions. So we're going to copy this short link and we're just going to open up a new tab. So I just copy and paste it, and there it is. So it's still going to have all the little features that we've added, has the little stars, our clickable sections. That's all for this tutorial. I'm just going to quickly show you. So here are just the basic plans for Simple Booklet. As you see, they already give you a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is fantastic. So you can start with the free, then you can move up to basic, pro, or business. It really just depends on your needs. What's really nice is you can come and toggle and see, you know, how much is it going to cost you. So depending on what you're doing, if you're a small business or you're a massive marketing agency, you can come and see like what plan suits you. As mentioned, to use Simple Booklet, you just need to sign up for free. It's super easy, and you can have up to one booklet. You can actually just sign in with Google, or you can sign up with email and password. To end, this is what your dashboard looks like. So we did create a brochure from Canva, but you can come here and upload from Dropbox or Google Drive. You can even create a booklet here from scratch, which is fantastic. Another really cool thing is you can add in your brand kits and your team account. So it does really make this super user-friendly. And if you have more than like one booklet, you can see I have 4 active at the moment. They're all there, ready for me to custom and edit at any time. Once you're on your dashboard, you can also get account analytics for your marketers out there. And when you wish to come into your design and edit again, you can just simply come here and click edit. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and look out for future videos where I will be going into the edit and design features in more details.